Alright guys, this is a part 3. I finally made my slime. I think that one might actually work. This one might actually work. Hi! I'm just grabbing my slime. Blossom's back in. Okay. You guys can kind of see like I have a bruise right here. No, Blossom. You just went outside. She wants that thing she was barking at. Like, yeah. Probably a cat. In the first and second part, she was barking at stuff, and then I let her out. I'll fry my hands. My fingers. This is kind of like wet material. No, I'll just keep on playing with it, otherwise it'll get sticky. It is already sticky. Yeah, it'll get more sticky if you don't play with it. And all my slime lovers out there know that. This is the first time I ever made slime. It's the first time that I've ever made slime that works. All our other slimes failed. Except for Venom. Well, that one was just kind of like a free-for-all. This one is like an actual slime. Not just Venom. It's kind of a mint green, but I want it more minty green. My hands are getting devoured by this. Like, seriously. Look, right, Curly? My hands are getting devoured. No, you can't just do this. You have to, like stretch it and stuff. Over the table. You don't want to get anything on our new chairs, bro. Yeah, we got new chairs. They're no longer wood. They're, leather. Yep. And actually comfortable for once, I guess. And they're not squeaky like that other chair that we have. But they're not adjustable, that's the one thing. I like just chairs. We still have our old chairs. I know they're over there. You guys can't really see them, but all over. Great, you can't even see it. It's all those chairs that is in the way. Yeah. Guys, comment on my channel, Oliver and the Poo Noodle. The comments are on. And like and subscribe to both of us. Alright. Okay. We don't really care if you like and subscribe. We just like making videos for you guys to watch and entertain. Yes. And like after these videos are sent, since I'm subscribed to them and have the notifications on, I might get notifications. Once I forget
now I'm wearing my hand.
Once I forget to like post one video,
you post it.
No, like it takes like a month for me to like actually like want to post it, and then after that, like 5 seconds later, I'm posting like all kinds of videos.
You guys make tons of shorts.
We do.
Also, guys, make sure to check out Char Char and Lulu.
We don't really post on there anymore.
Yeah, well, she is on there. Charlie and Lauren from the CCME of the grade.
And some little kids. We have no clue who they are. They just wanted to be on our YouTube channel, so they're not forever on there. They were just guests, I guess. All right, I think I'm done with the green. Maybe
Am I done?
a bit of blue. Tiny bit.
Charlie, am I done stretching?
No. Until it stops getting sticky, that's when you know that you're done.
Oh, this is soft.
Yeah, I imagine so. Alright, I think I'm going to go get a bag and put this in.
I'm gonna put this in a bag.
It is done.
I'm just still working on it.
Need a big boy bag.
Big boy church.
Sorry about that. This isn't for you.
It's for the viewers. The viewers. If you're watching, it's for you. Also, is kind of just like a guest. He's on all of our YouTube videos.
I got a humongous bag.
Not on some video.
I don't know why, but the medium one just is too small.
Jeez, what
The small one is tiny. So it obviously will not fit.
Am I done? Because it's not getting sticky
I
anymore.
will help you. Nope. If it's still on your hands, then
I still have stuff on my
still
hands.